Don't hit me. Don't do it. Don't hit me. You're gonna hit me. Don't hit me. Don't do it. Don't hit me. Don't. Oh no. Oh no. It's getting on me.
No. Go. Yeah.
You're an idiot.
The final boss.
I'm too heavy for you.
I can't move you.
There's weapons.
Hey, my toes messed up.
Your toe?
Oh, yeah, my toes messed up. Look, my toes
No,
messed
Jimmy's
up.
squeamish. Jimmy's squeamish. No. Oh, okay. Jimmy's fine.
No, but look, my feet are weird. My feet are weird. Like they like stand up weird. Hey, do you want to know my name? My name is Stabo.
Huh?
My name is Stabo.
Stabo?
Stabo. You're getting it wrong.
Stabo.
No, Jimmy, not on the carpet.
What do you mean? Not on the carpet.
The carpet's down there.
No, you're the carpet.
And people wonder why I don't come out of my room.
And people wonder why you're brown.
Poopy? Finally some time to try out the new camera angle. Honk.
You're yellow. So I peed on you.
Why did you pee on me? Because I'm yellow.
I peed on you because you're yellow because my pee is yellow and now it blends in.
First of all, that's not good for you. Second of all, like, chill. Hey, have you seen Woody around? He's like, you know, the icon of topic attention. I want him to try out the new camera angle.
Hold on. I'm getting him.
Woody backpack for all your daily needs.
Ooh, I want one.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No.
Woody
Oh, the
backpack.
strap broke. Ah!
Oh, I'm not coming off of the wall. Woody, I think I'm stuck to the wall.
What?
I'm stuck to the wall.
I'm stuck to the wall too. Oh no, we're stuck to the wall.
Ah, finally. Hey, you seen Buzz around?
I'm bending like a worm. Wait. Oh no! I'm a worm! Don't worry, I'm on a chain.
Where's...
Poop.
What?
Poop.
Man, my first day on the job and you're already saying nonsense.
Your first day on the... Yeah? This is a video. Wait, we should move over.
Wait, we're making a video?
Yeah, it's a new camera angle.
Crap.
You're supposed to make anime girl noises? That's what Woody hired you.
But Woody's not around.
Yeah, he's gonna watch the video though.
Well,
And he's gonna see there's no anime noises in it, but you're in it.
well,
So where's
I
the
don't have any
noises?
reason to make anime girl noises.
Oh yeah?
This is a bit... What's with that laugh? What's with that laugh?
I don't know.
Can't you speak at all? Sissy baka.
Look, I'm a floating pair of arms.
Boshgoria.
Oh.
Hit me like that. Stop
My
making those
shoulder,
noises.
it
It's
hurts.
scaring me.
Wait, help! My legs are falling to the wall.
Oh yeah, for some reason people are getting gravitationally pulled down here.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Dude, you would just like walk on the wall like that?
Yeah.
So you gotta teach me how.
Oh, it's easy.
I'm getting pulled to the wall. Oh, face spin. Back spin.
Get down here! You're walking on the wall. See?
Play me like a basketball. That's not how you play like a basketball. Here, I'll show you how to play like a basketball.
No!
Psych! It was the wall all along!
Help! Wait, help me! Help!
No.
That's how you play like a basketball. Whew. So glad to be back on the floor. I'm just gonna look up at the stars. It's not an open sky.
Oh crap, it's still recording!
Hit the record button! Hit the record button!